Residents of the city of Las Piñas mark today the 10th Water Lilies Festival. The full story from Ara Perez.
Water lilies have been beautifying Las Piñas for a decade now. Besides their beauty, which literally floats, the quality of water lily byproducts remains a cut above the rest.
Yung mga communities na nagpo-produce na ng water lily products, they came here today. And we're very thankful na pinakita nila. And we are also sa Mindanao. Although the Mindanaoans, they were not able to come, are in the Liguasan Mars and Agusan Mars. Tinuturuan natin yung mga communities doon to wave water lilies.
Livelihood is central to the festival as it helps residents, especially women.
This is livelihood. In Las Piñas, we have 100 weavers. And in other places in the Philippines, minimum, siguro in every town, meron siguro silang mga 50 weavers. So that's livelihood, especially for women. Kasi yung mga nanay nating mahihirap, wala naman silang trabaho, nasa bahay lang sila, and hindi naman sila pwedeng umalis ng bahay dahil wala naman silang katulong at mag-aalaga ng anak, magluluto. This they do on their spare time. So they are housewives and at the same time, they earn a living for the family.
In Las Piñas, beauty does not end with water lilies, as its women are also a sight to see. Their gowns are even made of dried water lilies, which are proudly Las Piñas and Pinoy made. 18-year-old Zoe Stephenson is aware of the significance of the water lily industry in the city.
Water lily, isa siya mga ginagawang products dito sa Las Piñas. Nire-recycle yung mga water hyacinths na instead na magkaklag sila sa mga rivers na magkakos ng flood, ay kinukuha sila para hindi sila makano sa rivers at nire-recycle sila sa mga iba't ibang products.
For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.